Today I'm going to be making a dress out of this tank top and this shirt. We're on the wall and we're going to measure the length between our measurements first. And then we'll start right here. So that's where I'm going to start my pattern. And then we're going to want to go to the waist. And then from the waist, we're going to want to go to the hip. The hip, we're going to want to go to the bum. And from the bum, we're going to want to go to the length of the dress. From under the bust to the waist, which is 3 inches. I would say that I would be happy with having a dress no shorter than 6 more inches from there. Okay, so now that we got that, the next thing that we're going to do is measure the distance around our bodies. So, 35. Now we're going to measure the waist. Now we're going to measure the hip. Center of the bum. I think this will probably be about the same, but let's measure around where it's going to end. Actually, it's 45. Now what we're going to do is we're going to divide each of these measurements by 4 because we're going to be creating a quarter of the distance around our body. And what we're going to do is add 1/2 inch seam allowance. The next step is to measure that distance out from the line. Now we're going to play a game of connect the dots. I should probably get a ruler for this, but I'm just going to use this instead. It's lovely. So this is our shape. Get off the wall. If it's on the wall, which it probably won't be because it'll be on a table. And with it. So I've just taken it off. Now you can, if you want, put some pins in. I think it's okay, so I'm just gonna go sew around it, and then I'll try it on and show it to you, because like that is all we have to do.